Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I am Phil Shinbine, still, I think. You'll notice I'm not wearing a toque this week because it is summertime down here and it is too hot for my woolly hat. It's not a beanie. This week on Cool Tool Tuesday, we are talking about Sherwood's 450 watt Oscillating Spindle Sander. As it's been pronounced around the shop here, it's actually an Oscillating Spindle Sander. These are specifically designed for sanding the interior surface on a concave curve. Concave curve. I like that. Myself personally, making drums, sanding the inside of the shell is a nightmare pain in the backside. I bought one of these to specifically deal with that problem. I did an unboxing video for it over on my own channel. You can find a link to it up here. It is an amazing machine that I absolutely love, and I use it in my own shop almost daily. Another place this particular machine is very useful is if you do need to make a cutout right on the edge of a board and you don't have a way to make it particularly clean. You can get it close to your mark and then just use this machine to tidy up to your mark. I'm going to do that, but before that, we're going to talk about some safety stuff real quick. You know, you got to make sure you protect your eyes, your ears, your lungs, and your beard. There you have it, one 450 watt oscillating spindle sander. Ton of different uses. It's a very handy machine. A couple interesting features that we didn't get into before. It has 5 different diameters, so you can get into really tight spots, or you can do more wider arcs with it, more cleanly. You can buy replacement sleeves in different grits. It comes with like an 80, I think it is, in all the grits, which is fantastic. Now it does have these little plastic plates, the insert plates, in different sizes. And one of the things that I thought was very cool is that for every size there's one that's an oval, an ovular hole, I guess, and that is because the top of the unit can tilt, right? It has a tilting top. Now, if you have just the round one in there, that's the right size, you'll run out of space, so you have it set up with the ovular one to deal with that. Very slick. They thought these things through. There's onboard storage for all the bits and pieces as well. So, one 450 watt oscillating spindle sander from Sherwood. For everything you need to know to get woodworking, go to timbicon.com.au. Check the links down in the doobly-doo. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe this video, and I will see you next time.